Hello, hello, hello. Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Oh, where are you? Can I see you? Can you please open your camera? Oh, hi. Good evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Okay, so long time no see since we met. I am right. Okay, so how are you? How are you, Robin?
I'm fine, thank you.
Are you angry with me?
I'm fine.
I mean, are you angry?
No, no.
Oh, because you're not smiling. Okay. So, what did you eat tonight? What is your dinner?
I eat a vegetable with
Oh,
some
vegetables. That is good in our body, right? Because that is a healthy food. Vegetables.
vegetable and some chicken.
Oh, chicken also. Okay, so what did you do today? Where did you go? What activities you do today? Since you don't have class, right?
Yes,
So what did you do today?
I'm do my homework and I'm go to play some sport.
Oh, wow, that's good.
Yes,
You have lots of activities you do today. Okay, so since we are already done in our lesson, right? And then last meeting we do our test. And I already sent an evaluation. Did you see it or I
yes,
didn't send it? The evaluation form. Did you see it or okay, I will check it later if I sent already, but if I didn't, I will send it to you, okay? But for now, we will have only a review and practice since we are already done in our lesson. Okay, is that clear?
yes.
Okay, so let's start our class tonight. So I hope that you remember our lessons. Okay. Okay, just wait for a while. It's very difficult to use the laptop without a mouse. That's why. Okay, so can you see it? Can you see the screen? I'm very worried with your background because the emoji is crying. Why is that?
You know, it's just a picture that's viral in internet.
Okay. All right, so now what can you see in the screen? Or can you describe it? What do you
I
think
can see,
happened in the picture?
I see two boy is like hug uh, sword, have a sword, play with sword, and then there's a girl was in with the panther is planting two boys that is sword, and somebody was laughing about them, and the girl looked at her very angry, and the boy too, because the boys have to stand for the long time, and the girl is angry because they are talking too much. So she say, "I wish you would stop mumbling and rumbling."
Okay, thank you very much for your idea about this picture. Okay, so that is an introduction. Your brother is like your face also. You are the same. You have the same face. Hi. How old are you?
Um,
How
he's
old
six
are
years
you? Ah, he is 6. So,
old.
hi. Nice to meet you.
Yes.
What is your name?
His name
What?
Khánh Hưng. His name Khánh Hưng.
Can Hong? A
Khánh
Vietnam.
Hưng. Yes,
His Vietnam name.
but his have a English name is Bon.
Oh, Bob. Bob is his English name. All right, so let's continue. Nice to meet you, Bob. Okay, now let's continue. So let's learn about present. Okay, so can you please read what's in the screen, Robin? Let's talk about the present.
Um, let's talk about the present is I wish if only plus by symbol. I wish if only plus was word. I wish if only plus could plus infinitive. I wish if only plus would plus infinitive.
Okay, continue. Okay, so example for this is she wishes she had a bigger house. I wish I were rich as a princess. They wish they could go to Paris. Okay, how about use? Can you please read about the use?
Yes. We use a wish if only plus by symbol to wish that something in the present was different from what it is now, right now. I wish our didn't give us so much homework to do. If only my parents could understand how I feel. Um, um, we use wish if only plus would plus infinity to express annoyed or to complain about something someone else. I wish I would stop making so much. I wish you would stop making so much noise. Um, we use I wish if only plus past perfect to express a reverence about the past or to wish that something was different in the past. I wish she had won the first prize if only I had been so rude to him.
Okay, thank you very much for reading about the using use. Okay, present. So of course, when you say present, I wish if only plus past. And then if only we knew the answer to this. Then I wish if only I was or were. I wish the baby was and were older. I wish if only could would plus infinitive. If only I could turn back time past. I wish if only plus past perfect. I wish they had invited me too. If only I hadn't been so careless. Okay. All right, so task one. Of course. So you need to answer this task one much. Okay, so you need to match the column numbers to column letters. So if you want, you can put a line between the two column, but if you want also, you can write only the letters. Okay, so you're done. So let's check. So the winters are very cold where I live. So I wish I live in a warmer place. Okay. Where is the All right, next, I share a room with my brother and he is very untidy. So the answer is okay, it's letter F. If only he would tidy up a bit. Next, okay, I enjoyed myself at the theme park, but okay, I wish we had stayed longer. Next, I don't feel well. So if only I didn't have such a bad headache. Okay, next, I didn't go to the cinema with my friends, so I was bored at home. Your answer is letter G. All right, very good. That is correct. Also, I wish I had gone with them. Then I can't drive a car because I'm too young. I wish I were older. Then my uncle told me how the book ended, so I didn't enjoy reading it anymore. If only he hadn't told me. Okay, next. I missed the school trip because I overslept. If only I had remembered to set the alarm. Okay, okay, very good, Robin. You get the correct answers. That awesome. Okay, next, continue. All right, task two, write sentences with using wish and if
Không, nhưng hồi
only.
trước bọn không nhớ là
So
tôi
you
còn
need
điểm
to
đó.
write your um you need to write if it is I wish on if only.
Không, mình biến mất luôn là biến mất hết rồi đó.
Okay, take time to answer using
Ừ.
I wish and
Vậy tại sao bên phải đổi chứ cái hình này là cô bây giờ cái mà ban đầu đổi đổi cái gì avatar cái con nhân vật đó con nhân vật con cho cô Vy trả rồi con đầu đổi Mình, nó đâu có quan trọng đâu.
Hai, một lần rồi đi tìm lại.
Vâng, thì lại tôi cần lắm.
Thử một lần đi chứ rồi bỏ đi liền.
Vâng, tôi chơi bây giờ thử
Ừ,
rồi, chơi như vậy. Làm cái trò mát mẻ ra từ này về sau mình không bao giờ cho bất cứ cái gì nữa.
xem với mấy mẹ. Tại em đọc ơn biết.
Nhưng mà Bonder em đưa một nói cái đó tức là hay. Thế là Bon đi đập cho một
Cái
chuyện.
nào đâu.
Bonder gì đổi mà.
Mà đổi là đâu mới tự chơi nhá. Em không có ý. Đây,
Okay, continue.
chắc
Yes.
vẽ rồi nào. Là
Bù lại nó thôi. Thế là- thế là-
không có rõ. Bị gì chứ? Nhanh, con này chạy nhanh lắm. Không cần bà chết
Ừ.
luôn. Chọn lại đi. Ơ, mình chọn kiểu gì đấy?
Ờ, một. Vui nha, có việc nè.
Nên mình, ủa cái sao mình không nhận cái hồi nãy mà cái tay nó kiểu gì á, đi để
Cô
lên
đang
đầu
có
hả?
cô đang
Mình thử chọn này, mình làm sao để trốn được? Nhưng tại sao mình không rút cái kiếm ra? Mình thử rút này.
rút được. Quên mất sao mà rút được.
Ừ?
Sao mà rút được.
Thì em có mì á, mì rồi.
Gì?
Hả? Nên xong mình không lấy cái, mình có 5 cái bỏ này vào đây luôn. Đó
Không
không
rút.
biết. Thì mà vừa lên nhưng mà drum 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 drum
Okay,
drum
so I
drum
can't
drum.
invite all my friends because I haven't got a big house. I wish I get a big house so I can invite all my friends. He can't send emails because he doesn't know how to use a computer. So if only he know, he instead of known, it's
Thì còn
new,
biết đã
new.
hồi nãy cô này
How to use a computer so he can send emails. Then my dad wakes me up at 7 a.m. At the weekend, he gets up at 6 a.m. So I wish my dad didn't wake me up at 7 a.m. on the weekend. Then she is very stressed because she works too hard. Then I wish she weren't so stressed because she works too hard. Then my brother snores and he keeps me awake at night. So I wish my brother wouldn't snores at night. Then I can't watch the match on TV tonight. I have to go to work. I wish I could watch the match on TV tonight. Okay. Okay, so let's continue this to the next 15 minutes. So I will out in the Zoom first, Robin, and then you will re-enter again. Okay. So,
đố các bạn biết khi Rento khỏe về Tusta nó không là hai con